Guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today it's just going to be a very quick video. We're just going to be swatching the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette that I recently got from TK Maxx. When I say recently, it was very recent. It was only yesterday that I picked this up. So yeah, let's go over to the vanity and start swatching. Right, so here's the palette in all its glory. So let's take it out of the outer carton and let's just appreciate. Oh, that palette is so pretty. I don't normally go for these bronzy tones, but to be honest, ever since I used the Natasha Denona bronze palette, I've really liked them. So, and also these darker browns, I don't normally go for them, but yeah, we're just gonna see. I thought for $9.99 it was worth me getting it. So yeah, we're gonna swatch the top row. So this palette is a better palette than the last palette I swatched. I can't even remember the name of it, but that only had 2 shimmers in it. I'll get the name of it and leave it down below. So we've got this beautiful like orangey mustard shade. So that's that one, and then we've got a really nice like copper. Isn't that gorgeous? Just do another swatch on that. Oh, look at that. Then we've got a deep brown matte. Looks like it's got an undertone of orange running through it as well. I think what I need to do is put this camera up a tiny bit. You're not really getting to see the swatches that well. Like that, you wasn't getting to see the swatches that well, and I'm having to bend right over to be able to see it in the LCD in the back. It's a pain in the bum really not having the LCD in the front, so I can't really see what's going on. The next shade is this shade here. Real pretty. The next shade looks like it would make a really nice transition shade. Glad they put that in. Probably have to swatch that a couple of times. So this palette, guys, now makes a 6th little makeup obsession palette, which I didn't think I had that many. And then we've got another bronze shade there. Oh, that's really nice. And then the last row is 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. So we've got a really nice dark brown. For me, that'd make a really nice lash line colour. And then there's a more orangey brown shade. These are really smooth, guys. I think the formula on these palettes are just so good. And then the last one is another bronze shade. So that's that. So even though, I wouldn't say I broke my low buy, even though I bought it and I said I wasn't bringing any more makeup in my collection till November. I didn't know that I would see this at TK Maxx for £9.99. You can quite clearly see, hopefully, that I bought it for £9.99 and it's worth £25. I wasn't going to leave it there on the shelf. I've said this in the previous video. For £9.99 November I would have bought it anyway, and I would have been paying £25 for it, or a little bit less because of obviously Black Friday sales. So yeah, I'd been looking at it for a while and I just thought, why not bite the bullet? I've only bought this and it was only £9.99. I didn't break the bank in buying it. So yeah, I'm keeping track of what I'm actually spending. I'll let you know next month if I spend anything more. So guys, that concludes the video of the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions. So just the swatches, that's what all the swatches look like. It's a really beautiful palette, right up my street. It's a little bit more orange tone than I would normally go for. I don't have a lot of orange palettes in my collection. I'm really looking forward to testing it out and using it and giving you my overall opinions. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. Please like. It really does mean a lot and it really helps out the channel. Share and comment, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I'm currently working on a giveaway and I would love for you to enter when it does go up. It's going to be international as well. And that's it for now guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.